110 draw, 120 reload. Very, very close to the same. In by. Yeah. What happened there? What's that? Yeah, I missed my thumb. Went in, missed my thumb. That was a bit more. That was like.
I've never seen you do that before.
Shut up.
That was the first time.
All right, one more time. Tell you, man. You just have it there. All right. Stand by. That was a good one. 110 draw, 113 reload. Shot to shot, almost the same. That's if I do it right, that's about what it should be. Like I say, the hardest part is usually just getting it to go in. When you shift in your hand, and that's why I didn't get the release on that. I shifted it back, came off. But either one.